to another video. Today I'm making slime. I'm going to show you how to make this slime right here. This slime is a blue fluffy slime with a wonderful pear berry scent. And it is super pokey and clicky. So let's show you how to make that slime. Okay, so what you'll need is some Elmer's glue, some shaving foam or cream, some paint or food dye. I'm using paint, and lotion if you want like smoother, like kind of scented slime. And obviously a bowl and a mixing utensil. I'm using a fork. Okay, let's get started. So first off, you want to start off by pouring your glue into your bowl. I'm going to use about that much glue today. Put the lid back on because I don't want it to spill. That's good for now. Okay. Now you're going to add your lotion. I'm using Pear Berry from Bath & Body Works. It's a little gassy. Alright, now you're going to mix that in. And this is going to give your slime a wonderful scent. Now you're going to add your paint or paint or food dye. I'm using paint. And you're just going to mix that in and watch the color change. Mine's turning like a baby blue to like a light blue. And now I'm going to add my shaving cream. Shake it up. And I added about that much. For that amount of slime, I would recommend like that much. Then you're just gonna mix it in. Shaving foam I'm using is really thick. Hopefully it'll make my slime thick too, because I love thick slimes. Mixing that in. Okay. Oh, I forgot something. You'll also be needing your activator, which I'm using Equate Multi-Purpose Contact Lens Solution. Just gonna squirt that in. Start mixing. And as you will see, it is starting to come together. Starting to clump up. Okay, add a little bit more. Mix, mix, mix. Like that. It's getting really hard to mix, sorry. Now I'm just gonna take it off the fork and mix it a little more. I'm definitely gonna need some more of this. Oh, it's squirting everywhere. Okay. Okay. So it's coming off the edges now of the bowl, and that's when you know you can start kneading your slime. So I'm just gonna okay. So now I'm going to transfer it. I need a napkin. Okay, I'm going to transfer my slime from the bowl onto my camera. Which it isn't that sticky, so it shouldn't make that big of a mess. If you do want to kind of like make it so like it doesn't stick to your counter, you could put some contact lens solution on your counter. But I'm just gonna do this. And I'm kneading it until it becomes unsticky. And as you can see, it is like having some good poking noises, which I love me some poking noises. Squirt some more of my activator or contact lens solution. Okay, mine is becoming very unsticky. Okay. It is very good, you guys. It is so fluffy. I love it. I love a fluffy slime. And this is like a very baby blue color because the shaving cream is white, and so it kind of made the paint more light. Hey, that rhymed. Okay, so I think it is safe to say that my slime here is done. So this is the end product right here. It is very clicky. I'm loving it. It is still a little sticky, but what slime doesn't stick to you? Maybe I need a little bit more. I'll just add a little bit more. And it is so clicky. Like this one over here is so clicky. Let me just show you how clicky this slime is. With that here. So this is slime I made earlier, and listen to how clicky it is. It is so clicky. It's just such good slime. And then I have this slime. I pretty much make all my slimes the same color because I really love it. I really like this color. Look at how bubbly that is, guys. A little gassy. So this one is also a really good slime. They're, as I mentioned, they're like pretty much all the same colors. But this one is super good. Listen to the crackling noises on this one, you guys. Okay. Just listen, okay? Take a moment to just like breathe in and listen. Maybe it won't be as good this time because it's like not as big as like a bubble thingy, but we'll see. So, good. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I think that we should mix these two slimes. I think so. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! So it's gonna make like a medium-sized slime. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's take a moment and listen to the wonderful, satisfying noises of this slime. Go. When you add contact lens solution to like slime that is sticky, it feels so good because like it's like moisture already that's on something wet. And it just feels good. I don't know if that made sense, but it just feels good. It is super clicky. So the ingredients I use. Oh yes, I got fruit fly. Okay, that's disgusting. Okay, so the ingredients I use to make this slime, like the specific ingredients, is the Elmer's School Glue Gallon, Pear Berry Shea and Vitamin E Body Lotion from Bath & Body Works, Equate Shea Foam, Apple Bearable matte acrylic paint, and this solution. It's dirty. Okay. I love this slime. I'm gonna keep it forever, even if it gets hard or dries out. I'm gonna keep it because it's super good. Might even make iceberg slime out of this. Maybe another video. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you all next time.